In today's video, I want to show you guys how we can fix the problem that you have a slow download speed here in the private GX browser. For this, go here on the left on your settings. And here in the settings, we can scroll all the way down. Here we have like many different things we can do. And the first thing we can do is go on advanced here, so click on this, and then we should see like the VPN. So in here I recommend to turn the VPN off because the VPN is really slow, so make sure that you turn this off. After that, go all the way down, and here we should like have the battery saver, and here I also recommend to turn the battery saver off. So this is a no-brainer, make sure that you do this. Okay, and then here are many different things or something, and this is not important, but what you also can do is here you can change the download location, and sometimes this also can really help. So try to select another disk drive or something to download things. This could also be really helpful. Okay. And then for the next step, we can close this here and we can go into the search bar. And here we look for the control panel, click on the control panel, and here we have, or we can go on view network status and tasks. So, and then go and change the adapter settings here. And now we do the following steps with our connection. So I'm connected with the Ethernet. So with LAN, click on this, and then we go on properties here, go on Internet Protocol version 4, properties again, and then we click here down there on user for DNS server addresses. And here we put in the best and fastest DNS server. So the preferred DNS server here is 1.1.1.1 and the alternative DNS server is 1.0.0.1. So after you've done this, click on OK here, and for the next step, go on configure. Click on yes that you wish to proceed, and then go on power management here on the right, and here make sure that you don't allow the computer to turn off this device. So this is really important. But the next step, go on drivers here, click on update driver, and here we search or make for drivers. So and here we have already installed the best driver, and what we can also do is we can go on the internet, and here we can type in the name from this network adapter here after the driver download, and then we can also find the best driver software for your network adapter, and this could also be really helpful. And after that, maybe try to reset your PC, and then your download problem should be fixed. If I could help you with the video, then please leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.